Good morning, everyone. Today I'm over at Watson Glen. There's going to be a farmer's market here today. And the farmer's market is called the Vedder Farm and Artisan Market. It's from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock. This is on Tyson Road, just down from Mount Celeste Middle School. And if I turn going south, that would take me down to the Rotary Trail and to the old Army base. This is the sports complex over here, the Sardis Sports Complex. There's a seniors hall here, and there is a library as well. Where the farmer's market is at the end of the parking lot. So there's lots of parking. So all down where those cars are down there, that is where the farmer's market is. And it looks like people are already there. And I'm here early. And we're going to go and meet the organizer, and we'll do a quick walkthrough. Anyways, come join me in a couple of seconds here. I'm just going to shut this video off, and we'll restart her once we get down to the farmer's market. Hello everyone, today we're over at Watson Glen Park, and I'm here with Amy, the organizer of the Vedder Market, Farmers Market and Artisan Market.
Farm and Artisan Market.
Farm and Artisan Market,
Yes.
I got to get that right. Yeah, I knew I was going to make a mistake. I just knew that. That was a tongue twister. Yeah, okay, now they're very COVID friendly. They've got safety cones up here with arrows on it as well. And hand sanitizer. I hope everybody uses the hand sanitizer. And oh my goodness, I shouldn't show you what's on the back of her shirt.
Awesome. Woo.
Now that just made my day.
That is a brand name of beer.
I
Love
know,
it.
I know, yeah. But you still made my day. I love seeing things like that. Okay, so Amy and I are going to do a little walkthrough of the market, and we might point out a few things with the vendors, and we'll see what they have, to offer. On the left here, we have a vendor that has, I guess, fresh vegetable plants and flower arrangements, and looks like honey as well, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's honey, there's tea.
And tea, yeah.
Probably more produce as the season progresses.
Sure, yeah. And it says on the sign there, no synthetic fertilizer, insecticides, or fungicides.
Right. Oh, and she also has beeswax, which is something
beeswax.
that people do look for every now and again.
That's like chewing gum, isn't it?
Make a candle.
Yeah, or make a candle. Yeah, I never thought about that. Sure, yeah. Okay, so here's another, vendor here, and we've got, it looks like homemade jams. Is it, Amy?
Homemade jam, preserves.
Oh, preserves, yeah.
Also produce, plants, flowers.
And fresh rhubarb out of his garden, no doubt.
Fresh herbs.
Yeah, very cool. Ooh, that looks all so nice. So nice. And then this vendor here,
If you have any heartburn,
I'm not sure.
Is selling kombucha.
I don't know what kombucha is. How would you describe
It is a
kombucha?
fermented tea.
A fermented tea.
So these are flavored with real fruit,
Okay.
variety of flavors. I think it changes by the week, but I'm not 100% sure on that.
Okay. Awesome.
No, seriously.
One of these days I'm going to venture and try it. I just haven't.
It's very
got there
tasty.
yet.
It's a nice alternative to sodas. It's
Yeah.
a fizzy, fruity. yeah.
Okay, and here we have bath scents, homemade soaps, and bath products. Now that's more of a woman's thing, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, I think everybody uses soap.
Yeah.
I think
Well, let's hope they
it could
do.
be for both.
Yeah, let's
and
hope they do. Yeah. I can't smell, so for
Okay.
me, it's not the most appealing thing to buy.
Gotcha.
I can't smell flowers, and I can't perfumes, those type of things.
Well, it does smell lovely. You're missing out.
Hello, honey. Are you listening? It smells wonderful.
Right.
Okay, but I can smell frying bacon from a mile away.
Oh, awesome. Of course.
Okay, so here we have an artisan that's got mugs for sale, and I don't know. They're water bottles.
That's right,
Yeah. Okay. Keychains and all sorts of things. Very
Really
nice.
great gift idea, too. They do a lot of, I believe, custom pieces.
Custom
Yeah.
gift ideas. Great idea. Great idea.
Here's the kids' favorite.
Oh,
Homemade candy.
lollipops. Yes. Yeah. What else do we have here? It's all for kids.
Treat bags.
Treat bags.
Lollipops.
It's a bit for adults, but mostly children.
Ah, okay. Yeah, this size looks a little bit more for the wee one,
That's right.
Yes, that's the adult look here.
not for those that think they're wee in the size end of
Very
things.
cute.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. All right. Oh, and this looks like hand towels.
That's right. And things like reusable food bags, toiletry
reusable food
cases,
bags. Ooh.
washcloths.
Yes. Oh, we bought those little, they're like a warming,
Right.
yeah,
The bowl cozy.
bowl cozies. Yeah, that's what they're called. Yeah, they work awesome.
Yeah, we use the sandwich bags for everything.
Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Zippered pouch bags. Yeah.
Right.
All handmade.
They are that.
They're not bought off of Amazon and resold. And here we have
This is a new vendor.
a new vendor.
Laser
Hello.
cutting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful
And this
gifts
is all
for Father's
work
Day.
that you've done. Scroll saw. No. Laser cutting. Oh, there.
It's much easier than a
Okay. It's right in front of me. I should have seen it. Yeah. Laser cutting. Wow, that's pretty cool. And they're items for Dad, I noticed.
Right.
Yeah. Honey, are you listening? Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Yeah, they changed now with all this new cutting methods that they have. Wow. And here we have
Sisters CBD and
CBD.
Agape. They do a variety of things, art, CBD products. So
what are CBD products?
it's a cannabis extract.
Oh, okay. Okay,
So
I've
it's
heard
a
of it.
non-psychogenic cannabis
Okay.
extract, though. Great for pain relief, anti-inflammatory.
I see. Okay. All right. And then they do wax candles as well.
That's
And
right.
various displays. I'm not sure how to that moss display there. That looks kind of cool.
Yeah, really cool. Little
birdhouse?
little birdhouses.
Yeah.
And there's a really cute little bench
oh,
tucked
look at
in there.
that. That is nice. Wow.
And some solar
Very
garden
nice.
lights.
Yeah. How nice. Very nice. Wow. So you're saying that the vendors were down today, but maybe next week there'll be like twice as many.
Yeah, it ranges a bit, up to around 25, depending on the
25?
week.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Wow. Now this is my wife's favorite booth. Okay.
Okay.
I got to tell you that right now.
That's good news.
Anything to do with bracelets, she's got.
Lovely bracelets and the crystals and stones over to the
Right.
side.
Okay.
Very popular also.
Passion.
Very nice.
And she has some very unique specimens.
Okay.
So that's exciting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you mind if I get a little bit closer, like with the camera?
I can move away.
No, I don't mind. I just want to show my wife when she sees this video, because she's really into all these bracelets and things.
Everything here I've made, and they're all one of a kind.
And that's what she likes.
Yeah,
That's
they're
what she
all quite
likes.
unique that way.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You as well. Wow. Yes, my wife will be here next week.
One of our market favorites, little homestead in the valley.
Oh, I can
Does
see why
artisan
it's your
sourdough as well as pastries.
Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, look at this. Wow.
And she also has very lovely soap.
Wow. I'm drooling. Oh, is this the little cookies?
They're little
biscuits that-
crackers. Yeah, they're
You
delicious.
bought some of those?
Yes.
Yeah. How nice.
My
wow.
children are in love with those.
Oh God, yeah. Wow. You know that basket you showed me earlier?
Oh, would you like to see?
Yeah, let's have a closer look at that. We have a lovely model here that's going to show off some baked
My
goods.
daughter, she is the baker of these. She's
And your daughter's how
teenage
old?
entrepreneur. She's 16.
16 years old, and she
Baking for
baked
markets
all
since
these?
She was 13. Yeah.
Wow. Now, did she bake everything here?
I'm making the breads and stuff, and
Okay.
she's making the sweets.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, tell her that, she's making everybody's mouth water. That is so good.
So all of our ingredients are organic and high quality. And
Okay.
So
How about gluten-free? Do you do gluten-free at all?
Well, the einkorn that I make is not gluten-free, but
Okay.
it's a different kind of gluten. So most people that are gluten intolerant can actually tolerate it.
Oh, okay.
And the einkorn is a very ancient grain, like
Oh,
the
okay.
mother of a lot of ancient grains,
Okay.
like spelt and different things.
Because where I put these videos, like, a lot of people ask about gluten-free,
Yeah.
and gluten-free, like, it depends on your
Yeah,
severity of, how
I
you...
would not recommend any of mine for celiac people, but people that are gluten intolerant have most of the time tolerated
Okay, good point.
sourdoughs really well.
Yeah, good point. Good
Yeah.
point. And
a
it's
lot of
hard to
people
keep
that
the...
are gluten intolerant are actually, you're not videoing, are you?
Yes.
Anyways, that people that are intolerant are actually the pesticides and the things that they're spraying onto
Sure.
the unorganic thing. That's what they're actually reacting to.
Yeah, I can believe that.
Yeah,
I can believe
so-
that. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the einkorn is just amazing. I can't say enough good about it.
Oh, good.
It's a little more pricey, but it's
Yeah, sure.
And this
Excellent.
is my baker, my 16.
This is the baker here. Hello, baker. How are you doing? Your mom was just showing me, the tasty treats that you do, and I am impressed. Very impressed. Everybody that goes by here, I'm sure their mouth is just watering.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
She's known for. Take this and hold that.
Oh my goodness gracious!
been
Look at
demonstrating
this.
since
Let me
she
get a
was
close up of the
13.
goodies. Wow.
And,
Well, thank you very much. Wow. Not only is she a good model, she's a good baker. My goodness. Wow. All right. Thank you very much. All right. And what do we have here, Amy?
And this is my info booth, which quite often does also have coffee, but not today. My daughter's taking a break.
Okay. Is that the
So-
River Coffee?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
I remember seeing that.
So usually
before.
my daughter who's sitting there, Emmy, she has coffee and muffins and things like that. But
Awesome.
today she just wanted a day off. So
Yeah. Hey, everybody deserves
she's
a day
just
off.
visiting
right?
with her friend.
Yeah, awesome.
yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I saw like a couple of weeks ago when I was here. She had the coffee.
Right. She usually, well, she has every week up till today, but
Okay.
yeah, she'll
Okay.
be back.
Wow. Now this takes me back to the 60s.
Right?
I don't know why, but it has something to do with the bright color, the tie dye, and everything.
Yeah.
And the young gentleman back there, he knows exactly what I'm talking about. The younger dude over here, like maybe not quite so much, but definitely our age group, we definitely know what tie dye is all about. See, yeah. Oh yes, it was the thing back in the 60s. Well, how come you're not wearing one right now to advertise?
Well, put it this way, I just got here, so I'm still picking mine.
Ah, good comeback, man. Good comeback. Very good. He's got one.
He's
got
the
one.
tie-dye artist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just a question for you. How long does it take from when you prepare everything to the finished product?
Well, big batches, it probably takes me all day long.
Okay.
And then if I do smaller ones, it can take a few hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one T-shirt might take like an hour to do,
Yeah,
or
maybe 20, maybe half an hour,
half an hour?
20 minutes, half an hour. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. I've seen how it's done, and it varies from person to person.
Yeah.
And
Patterns and the process. Some patterns require different tying, which takes longer.
sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, good. Thanks for chatting with me.
Thanks.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right, Amy, we're pretty much finished for the day. I'm just going to do a little quick scan here.
Perfect.
For those people that, want to come here, there's lots of parking here, which is nice. Today we have a few vendors that didn't show up, which is fine. The weather is starting to get, better as the summer rolls through. And this market a couple of weeks ago had twice as many people. So it varies from week to week and month to month, maybe. Like depends on what people sell, right, Amy?
That's right. We have more produce and flower vendors as their gardens start producing are going to be coming out to join us.
Sure.
We usually have a few new vendors every week.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And it's still early in the day. You know, people are still, wondering if they should wake up or not,
Right.
and go for a walk to the park. So, anyways, I want to say thank you to Amy for joining me on the walk. It makes the vendors a little bit more calm when they see a camera, when they see the organizer, with the camera guy. And you can see more people are showing up here, which is nice. And that's about it, Amy. I want to say thank you very much,
Thank you.
for showing me around. And hopefully, in the weeks to come, this place will be just a hopping.
Absolutely.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for joining me.